Did you know that you can look up and understand the meaning of any vocabulary with eJOY AI Dictionary? This video will guide you on how to view all information of a word, how to open the dictionary window on a computer, and how to open the dictionary pop-up on a phone. Whether on the phone or on a computer, you can look up any information with eJOY AI Dictionary. Each lookup window is divided into many tabs. Each tab contains different information about the vocabulary. In all the tabs, you will see fixed information such as UK and US pronunciation, word frequency, where the higher the number, the more necessary and common the word is in communication. The lowest level is 1 and the highest is 5. For example, the word inspiration is rated 4, indicating it's commonly used in everyday conversation. You can practice listening and reading at the same time by using the audio reader mode while keeping up with the news.
52 square mile jungle paradise that sits in the Indian Ocean, about a 3-5 hour plane flight northwest of Perth.
Quickly search for related images, Google definitions, and Wikipedia explanations without opening a new tab like this. Furthermore, you can also watch how native speakers use the vocabulary in different contexts by clicking on the video icon. Here, you will find a list of videos containing the word you look up. Just select a video and watch how it's used. The first tab shows the translation of the word into your native language. You can click on the Add button to save the word for later review, or hit the plus sign here to rewrite the meaning according to your understanding before saving it. If you are not satisfied with the translation or want to dive into the word's usage in different contexts, then go ahead and click on the tab definition to see the English definition of the vocabulary along with example sentences. If you still find it difficult to understand, especially when looking up jargon, then use the AI dictionary. For instance, the term power user is typically defined as a computer user who needs the fastest and most powerful computers available, which might not always make sense in context, and AI has explained it as someone who is highly engaged and utilizes a product or service. Moreover, you can look up words in other dictionaries by scrolling down and clicking on the dictionary icons such as Cambridge, Oxford, and Longman without having to open a new tab like this. In the following tabs, you can view collocations to understand which other words this vocabulary is combined with, and examples for each combination, which helps improve your writing skills. The Synonym tab helps you find synonyms and antonyms, so you can use alternately in writing and speaking to avoid repetition. The bolder the word, the closer its synonym and antonym is to the original one. The Example tab provides sentences and contains the word you are looking up. The Word Family tab shows the origin of the word. In the Slang tab, you can see explanations of how the word is expressed in spoken language. You can also view the number of likes and dislikes for each explanation, voted by English-speaking users. To open the lookup window when using a computer, firstly, make sure that you have downloaded the eJOY AI Dictionary onto Chrome or Microsoft Edge or GopGop, which are browsers compatible with eJOY. If not, simply search for eJOY AI, click on the result eJOY AI Dictionary at the top. Then choose Add to Chrome and agree to add the extension. After downloading eJOY, click on the puzzle icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the pin symbol next to the eJOY icon to quickly access eJOY whenever needed. After downloading, you can click on any words while reading news, scrolling social media, or even watching videos like this. Or if you need to look up a new word you encounter in a book or on TV, just click on the eJOY icon, go to the Lookup tab, type in the word and search. To open the lookup pop-up on a phone, you will need to download the latest version of the eJOY English app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply search for eJOY English 2 on App Store or Google Play Store. Then select the eJOY icon with the tag New and download the app. After downloading, you can tap to look up words directly when watching videos or reading news. Then tap the arrow icon below to display a window with all vocabulary information like this. Additionally, if you need to look up a word not from videos or articles on the app, here's how to open the dictionary. First, go to the Material or Practice section. Select the dictionary icon here, then insert the word you need to look up. So now you know how to view all information of a vocabulary word, how to open the dictionary window on a computer, and how to open the dictionary pop-up on a phone. Download eJOY on Chrome or your phone to look up and understand the meaning of any vocabulary now.